My name is Chloe. I am a blogger. I make videos every day. People watch my videos. Thousands of people. They like me. They think I have a perfect life. But they don't know the truth. I love making videos. It is the only thing I love in my life. When I am on camera, I forget everything else. I forget the sadness. I forget the fear. My followers say, "Chloe, you are so lucky. Your life is amazing." But behind the camera, my life is not amazing. My life is very different. Every night, my parents fight. They yell. They say mean things. I hear them through the walls. I close my door. I put on my headphones, but I can still hear them. My father shouts. My mother cries. Then my mother shouts. My father slams the door. This happens every night. I cannot sleep. I feel alone. So I open my phone. I talk to my followers. For a few minutes, I feel happy again. One evening, I started a new video. I was live on my phone. This means people could watch me right now in real time. "Hi, friends," I said. "Today was a great day. Let me tell you about it." I smiled big. I showed them my new dress. Then I heard it. A loud crash from the next room. My mother screamed. My father yelled back. My face went white. My smile disappeared. I could hear everything. And my followers could hear everything too.
You never listen.
My mother shouted.
I'm done with this.
My father yelled. More crashing sounds. Something broke. I looked at my phone. Hundreds of people were watching. The comments started coming fast. What was that? "Chloe, are you okay? Is someone fighting?" I felt my heart beat fast, very fast. I needed to stop them. I needed to stop the fight before it got worse. I forgot something very important. I forgot the camera was still on. I forgot I was still live. I ran out of my room with my phone in my hand. I ran into the living room. My parents were yelling. My mother was crying. My father's face was red with anger. "Stop!" I screamed. "Please stop." They looked at me. They saw the phone in my hand. They saw the camera.
Turn that off.
My father yelled. I looked down. My hand was shaking. The camera was still recording. People were still watching. I tried to turn it off, but my hands were shaking too much. I dropped the phone. When I picked it up, I finally stopped the video. But it was too late. So many people saw everything. They saw my parents fighting. They saw me crying. They saw my real life. I ran back to my room. I closed the door. I sat on my bed. I started to cry. My phone kept making sounds. Ding, ding, ding. Messages. So many messages. I opened my phone. My video was everywhere on the internet. People were sharing it. Thousands of people. Hundreds of thousands of people. The comments were terrible. "She's a liar. Her life is fake." People made jokes about me. They made funny pictures with my face. They made fun of my crying. They made fun of my parents. Look at perfect Chloe now, they said. Everyone was laughing at me. People I didn't know. People from different countries. Everyone saw the worst moment of my life. I felt sick. I felt so ashamed. I wanted to disappear. I posted one message. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lie to you. I just wanted to be happy. But people didn't care. They said I was trying to get attention. For 3 days, I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. I just stayed in bed. I read the comments. Each one hurt me more. Then I saw the worst comment. The world would be better without you, someone wrote. I started to believe it. Maybe they were right. Maybe it would be better if I wasn't here. My parents wouldn't have to worry about me. Maybe I should just end everything. One night I made a decision. I couldn't live like this anymore. The pain was too much. I went to the bathroom. I found my mother's pills. I sat on the bathroom floor. I held the bottle in my hand. Tears ran down my face. Then my phone rang. It was my best friend, Maria. I didn't answer. She called again, and again, and again. Then she sent a message. Chloe, I'm coming to your house. Don't do anything. Please. I'm coming now. I don't know how she knew. Maybe she felt it. Maybe she saw something in my last message online. But she knew. 20 minutes later, she was at my door. She took the pills from my hand. She held me while I cried. She didn't say, everything will be okay. She didn't say, don't cry. She just held me, and she saved my life. The next day, I opened my phone one last time. Maria sat next to me. I deleted everything. All my videos, all my photos, my whole page, gone. 5 years of work, deleted. I didn't make videos anymore. I moved away. I started a new life. A quiet life, a private life. Some people still remember me. Sometimes someone recognizes my face, but most people forgot about me. The internet moves fast. There's always someone new to laugh at. I work at a small coffee shop now. I have real friends now. But I lost the job I really loved. Do you think Chloe did the right thing? Or should she have kept the job she really loved? Subscribe to our channel to learn English through stories. Lesson of the day. Make fun of. It means to laugh at someone or say things to be mean. Examples from the story. They made fun of my crying. They made fun of my parents. More examples. They made fun of me when I fell. He made fun of his friend's new shoes.